You've probably never had corn like this, creamy, garlicky, and insanely good. And if you enjoy simple comfort food like this, don't forget to subscribe. Creamy corn garlic parmesan. Start with 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Add 5 cloves of garlic, minced, and cook gently until fragrant. Be careful not to brown it. Pour in half a cup of chicken stock. Add 1 cup of light thickened cream. Then add 1 cup of light cream cheese and whisk everything until smooth and fully combined. Season with half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, optional, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Now add the frozen corn, about 2 pounds or 900 grams, and let everything simmer gently until the corn is tender and the sauce turns creamy. Stir in half a cup of freshly grated parmesan and mix until melted and smooth. Transfer to an oven-safe dish. Sprinkle extra parmesan on top and broil for about 5 minutes until golden and slightly crisp. Serve warm with chopped parsley on top. Creamy, garlicky, and packed with flavor. This is comfort food made simple. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more easy and delicious meals like this.